All right, the steak is rested and cut and ready to eat. Looks amazing. Perfectly medium. All right, setting up the Weber Spirit E-325, the 3-burner liquid propane grill. Taking off the all-weather cover, lifting up the shelves. Then do this, lift up, push forward towards the grill, and it holds. Opening up the propane, so we have fuel. Gonna turn on all the burners. Got the electric start on all 3 of them. Get it up to temperature before we cook. For this ribeye, we're gonna do indirect heat. So we're not gonna utilize the sear zone until the very end on this. Here we got a ribeye steak, seasoned it, and then put some Worcestershire sauce on it, let it sit for about an hour. Now it's room temperature, ready to cook. Now we're ready to turn down the heat. We're gonna cook this slow and low with the indirect heat. All right, now we're gonna put it on, get the internal temperature up to about 130, 135 for that medium rare. Looks like it's a little hot still, and then turn it down a little bit. It's been about 4 minutes now. Time to flip it. 4 minutes on each side. Looking for that medium rare. Ooh, we're gonna have a nice little crust. All right, time to test the temp. Got the Alpha Griller's electric thermometer. We got 162. This thing is done. There's no need to use the sear zone right now. I had the barbecue way too hot earlier, so it got a good sear on it, good crust. So tomorrow we'll try out the sear zone. So what we used today to measure the temperature of the steak was the Alpha Grill electric thermometer. This thing was awesome. The digital thermometer worked instantly to give me the results and the reading that I needed. Included in the links below is where we bought both of these items, the thermometer and the Weber. Alright, what we did was use the Weber Spirit. There was no need for the sear zone today, but what we did do is flip over the grates because it's dual purpose. You can either have the flat grate or the triangular coming to a point focusing that heat. That's what we did today, was use the focused heat aspect of the grill top. We got a good sear on our steak, as you can see. If you found this video helpful, make sure you give it a like, a thumbs up, comment down below. And if you want to see more experimentation with the Weber Spirit Grill, stay tuned for more.